This is Manni Chopra at the Caversham new build site, and I'm going to have a quick preview of what's been going on, because there's been a lot of progress made in the sort of last week, 10 days. So here you can see these stairs and this brickwork was being done on the last video that we did, but now it's the shell of it is completed, and the plan is to actually have some paving on top of these steps. And here we're going to move the bin storage to this area here, so it's kind of nicely tucked away. And here, because it's been concreted, we're not going to be able to do any soil or anything, but we're going to have some potted plants right here, staging them for the open day, because we're looking to stage the entire house. So let's go and have a look and see what else has been going on. So here, if you come in, here we're at the stage where the second fix is on in full progress. We've had the first mist layer of the spray paint just gone on. It's called mist paint, I think. And let's just quickly show you around what's been going on. So you can see here we've ordered the sockets. We're going for the sort of matte chrome steel, brushed steel finish here. This is the living room area. Of course, it's being used as a storage at the moment. But again, the spray painting is done, mist coat has been done, and the first fix electric. So we've ordered the spotlights. We're also looking to order the pendant lights as well, which are going to go in every single room. Fire doors are done. We've started with the door frames. The next thing is architraves and skirting boards. Here you can see it's a bit dark in here, but you can see that we've done the tiling has been done from floor to ceiling. We've gone for a lovely large sort of porcelain tile, but a nice 120 mil by about, I think, 60 mil. Again, we're waiting on the bathroom suite to be installed, which is, next in line. Behind you here is a little storage cupboard, and we've got the connection here for the washing machine, and we're going to supply them with the washer dryer as well. Here it's quite busy in here, but this is one of the sort of a second reception room area with could be used as a sort of play area for a child, depending on the family who ends up buying it, or an office space, or a multifunctional space as well. Coming in here, this is the comms room, but it's also a space for the air source heat pump, because I think from memory, if you remember, this is a eco house with a timber structure and an air source heat pump for the heating system. This is going to be a lovely little cupboard. I think it's going to be possibly just a hanging space here for the coats when you come in. So this is here is a side entrance to the property. And this is effectively, if you look outside, this is going to be 2 car spaces in tandem. And this whole area is going to be done with block paving. So I think this entrance here is going to be used a lot. So I think this is perfect for a little coat and cloak cupboard here. Coming in here, you can see the kitchen has been installed. And we've gone, again, it's been covered because there's obviously still a lot of work going on site, but we've gone with a slim shaker look, and we've got the quartz guys coming in tomorrow to do the worktops, and the splashback, and the quartz splashback is going to go all the way to the top. We're also putting quartz window sills as well. On that window sill, this one, and all the ground floor windows as well. There's a lot of work going on outside. You can see the plan is basically patio tiles about 1.2 meters going like a wraparound around the garden. On the other side, it's going to be tiles which are going to be used in the front. It's going to be the Indian sandstone tiles, and here there's going to be turf on the rest of the area. So yeah, it's all going ahead. Let me just quickly also show you this spotlights here, but again, they've been ordered and ready to be hopefully done sort of in the next sort of few days. Okay. We're trying to, so let's go and have a look at upstairs and show you what progress has been made. here we're trying to go in for this a sort of feature carpet just for the stairs. Because we've got LVT on the ground floor, obviously you can't see it because we've got it covered to protect the flooring. But here we're going for a feature for the staircase, and then just a plain sort of light, sort of silvery grey colour with a nice thick pile for the rest of the bedrooms. Again, in terms of this feature bedroom here, with this high vaulted ceiling, we've got the painting all done. So you can see there's a colour difference. We've gone for a very light, I think it's called the rolling fog colour shade, but you can see the difference between the two shades. But because obviously this part of the walls did not have any clear lines, we decided to keep it white and just gone for a very light colour on the sort of opposite sides of the wall. If you turn around, this area we're going to be doing fitted wardrobes because that's what we're doing for every single bedroom, and because this house is for sale. Not only are we doing the wardrobes, we're going to be doing a complete staging so people can then visualize what it's going to look like with the end spaces, with all the beds in, cupboards in, and all the other paraphernalia as well to go with it. You can see the door handles have started being installed as well, so second fix is in full force. This room again, the wires have been dropped down through the ceilings, and again painting has been done. So next thing to go is the skirting boards and the second fix carpentry. That's going to be the next few things to do in all the bedrooms up here. This bathroom is a bit messy right now with all the storage again, but you can see maybe very a little difference in the features that we've gone in. But again, this we're still waiting for the suites to be done, the bathroom suites, i.e. toilet and the wash basin or whatever. And yeah, that's pretty much it, right? So here again in this room we're going to have slim wardrobe. This is quite a tight bedroom. Although being the master, I think we thought we'd go for like a slim sort of wardrobe space here all the way to the ceiling. Yeah, so guys, hope you got a good idea of the progress. Ensuite, I think we have shown it in the previous video, but slightly untidy at the moment. But you can see the ensuite in terms of the tiling has been completed and the grouting and whatever. We're just waiting now on the suite to be installed. So guys, we're going to be doing regular updates from now until 2 weeks, which is when we've asked the contractor to get this completely done and dusted. And then week 3, they're going to finish the outside, although the outside is going on simultaneously as well. And then we're going to use the following week to do staging, and we're hoping to put it on the market by the end of June. And we're fingers crossed for a base rate cut, hopefully sort of the same time, which will hopefully help sell this property. We're going in for Keller Williams as our agent, who is going to be putting it all online on all the social media channels. And we're doing an open house viewing to start off with. So guys, hope you've got a good idea of the progress we've made, and do like, follow and subscribe our videos. Also look at our next event, 13th of June. It's all about making money from auctions and trading properties in auctions in 2024 and beyond. So do book your tickets, because I know it's going to be a full house. The website you need is teamtitans.co.uk. Thank you for watching.